calls for a multiple of 6, and that's it, multiple of 6. So what you're going to do is chain 6, 6, 6, 6, 6 until you reach your desired width. So for foundation row, you're going to double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook, which I already did. Then you're going to double crochet in the next 3 chains for a total of 4. Then you're going to chain 2. Then you're going to skip 2 chains, and then the 3rd chain, you're going to do 4 double crochets in the next 4 chains. Okay, and again, chain 2, skip 2 chains, and in the 3rd one, you're gonna do a double crochet and then 3 more double crochets in the next 3 chain for a total of 4. And that is your foundation row. Pretty simple. It's an easy pattern, you'll see. I think this pattern would be nice for like a 3-weight, which is a light. It would look, I think that this here would be a little bit more lacy like. See, if you pull on it, this is what So I think it would be more lacy like if you do it with instead of a worsted weight, then do it with 3. So you can actually see this right here because you can't see it much. I guess you can stretch it out. There you go. I guess you can stretch it out and you can see. You can see the little. I think it's a pretty pattern for a wrap or a blanket. Okay. So again, skip 2 in the 3rd chain, do your double crochet, and then do 3 more in the next 3 chain for a total of 4. So you should have, so since you started with your 4, you should end with 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I guess I missed a chain here because you should have 2 left. So you should have a total of 6 left. I have 5. That's fine. I'll just, it turned out okay in this one. Not sure, I guess I miscounted. But yeah, it should be a total of 6. You're just gonna skip 2 and then double crochet in the last 4 chains. Because it's supposed to be a little spacey here. Oh, I didn't chain 2. No wonder. Besides the fact that I forgot to chain an extra chain. But anyway. Okay, I can't crochet today for some reason, I guess. Okay, so there you go. So yeah, it's okay on this one. So okay, so row number 2 says that you should chain up 5, which counts as your double crochet chain 2. Now, just make sure that you're supposed to do, when I first did the pattern, I did 4 in this chain 2 space. If you do that, it looks like a fan. So what you're gonna do is go to the last, or to the first double crochet here, the last double crochet of this set of 4. And you're gonna double crochet, then you're gonna double crochet 2 in the chain 2 space, and then do a double crochet at the beginning of this one. This crochet. You're gonna chain 2 and then do the same. You're gonna jump all the way to the end of this one. And then do 2 double crochets, 2 double crochets, and then another double crochet in the beginning of the other one. That way it looks, stacked, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. So chain 2, jump into this one. And then do another 2 double crochets and then chain 2 space, and then a double crochet on top of this double crochet right here. And that's your row 2. Okay. If anything can go wrong, everything will go wrong when you're making a video. Because when you're not, everything goes nice and smooth. The pattern, I don't know. Okay, so then you're going to look more or less look for your 3 chain. I'll just put it somewhere around here. You might want to look. You want it to look straight like this. See? And that's it. So that's row number 2. So no, row number 3, you're going to chain up 3. Then you're going to do 2 double crochets in this chain 2 space, and then double crochet on top of this double crochet beginning. And again, you just repeat the same as you did on row 2. Here it is. See? So double crochet here, and then double crochet there. Chain 2. So see, it's pretty easy. And then chain 2. You're going to do a double crochet. So you're going to do 2 double crochets here. And then you're going to do a double crochet on the top, chain 3, or more or less, like I said, look more or less where it would you know, it would look straight like this. Okay, so row 4, you're going to chain up 1, and then you're going to single crochet in that first space. You're going to chain 3, then you're going to come here to this last double crochet and do a single crochet. Chain 3, and then single crochet in this first double crochet, the next set. Chain 3, single crochet in this last double crochet. Chain 3, single crochet. Chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, and then single crochet here. Then you're going to chain 3, and then you're going to do your last single crochet and the chain 3 from below. And that's row number 4. Let me make note because I tend to get lost for some reason. Okay, so in row 5, you're going to chain up 4, which is your double crochet plus a chain. Then you're going to do a single crochet in this first chain 3 space. Chain 3. Single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 3 space, and you do this all the way across. It's pretty easy. Okay, so you're doing your last 3 chains. You're going to single crochet here. You're going to chain up 1, and then you're going to do a double crochet on top of the single crochet from the row below. And that's row number 5. Row number 6 is just like row number 4. You're going to chain 1, single crochet in the same space. You're going to chain 3. You're going to jump to this chain, you're going to skip this space right here and jump to this chain 3 space and do your single crochet, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 3 space, and it's the same. Just do that all the way across. Oh, that was not a single crochet. And so when you get to the end of row number 6, you're just going to do your chain 3 and do your single crochet on the top of the chain 3 from below. And that's row number 6. So row number 7 is the same as row number 5. Chain up your 4, which counts as a double crochet, chain 1. Then you're going to do your first single crochet right here in the first chain 3 space. And then just do the same, chain 3, single crochet in the chain 3 spaces. And that's row number 7. So that's pretty easy. Single crochet, single crochet here. You're going to do your last single crochet in the last chain 3 space, chain 1, and then do your double crochet on the single crochet below. Okay, so that's row 7. Now you're going to do row 8, which is the same as row 4 and 6. Chain 1, single crochet in the first space, chain 3, skip this first space, and then do your single crochet in the chain 3 spaces, the chain 3 in between each. So it's just it's the same, it's just the way it starts is different. Rows 4, 6, and 8 start with a single chain 1 single crochet, and then rows 5 and 7 start with your chain 4. So that's the only difference between these rows. So it's not really that difficult. So your chain 3. Then do your single crochet on top of the chain 3. So that's your row 8. Okay, so now row 9, you're going to chain up 3. And then you're going to do 2 double crochets in the chain 3 space. And then a double crochet on top of the single crochet. Chain 2. You're gonna jump to the single crochet, do a double crochet, and then 2 double crochets in the chain 3 space, and then a double crochet on top of the single crochet. Chain 2, jump to the next single crochet, double crochet on that one, 2 double crochets, and the double crochet on the top of that one. So that's row 9. So it's pretty easy. Once you get on a roll, it's a nice and a relaxing pattern. So here you're going to do your last double crochet and the last single crochet. Then you're just going to do 2 double crochets in the chain 3 space, and then a double crochet on top of the single crochet from the row below. And that's it. So that's the pattern. It's a row repeat. It's a repeat from rows 2 to 9. So this is the 9th. So you just go back to row 2. So it's row 2 is actually the one that you chain up 5, which counts as a double crochet plus the chain 2. And then you double crochet in the last double crochet here, that first set. And then you do your 2 double crochets in the chain 2 space. All right. Oh goodness. Okay, and then your double crochet in the first double crochet of the next chain, the next set of double crochets. Chain 2, jump to this double crochet right here, and then continue on. And then that's it. So that's row 2, and then you would continue row, which is row 2, and then 3, which is the third is another row of this one, and then you start your little, I don't know what you call them, but these rows right here. So that's it. That's the pattern. I think it, again, if it was in a lightweight, or you can stretch it out like that. Let's see. You can actually see this pattern right here through like a mesh pattern, I guess. So that's it. So please email me with any questions. I hope you learned something new today, and thank you for watching.